has arrived. They delivered it. It was supposed to be yesterday at like 5 p.m. They showed up at, what time, Chris? 3 a.m.? For the most part, it is awesome. There's a few things that you can tell they're rushing to finish. There's supposed to be a cabinet right there, which is missing. They've already acknowledged it and said that they're gonna come back because they know we got to get the trailer set up and they want to get it delivered, so they're gonna come back and install it for us. So that refrigerator goes here, which is actually supposed to be closed in. This winch. And here they did, obviously, well, two things. One is supposed to be a synthetic winch, rope. And two, there's nowhere for, this is mounted. So when this comes out, it will just tear apart this part of the trailer. And then there's also no support on that. A little weak. This bathroom door is backwards, so it makes it a little dumb to get in and out. And obviously we want to be able to try and keep it open most of the time when you're not using it. So you got AC. Also supposed to be another light in here on the ceiling. So again, they missed some stuff. They said this was probably the most custom trailer they've ever built. I mean, good guys, but I think it was, yeah, I mean, they did a good job overall. It's super heavy duty, very good quality. All the walls are aluminum. Again, yeah, that step, stupid. We got electric awning. This whole box here is for a 65-inch mounted outside TV. Of course, air conditioning. We're missing a couple lights too. We were supposed to have more lights, so they're gonna have to do that, but it is what it is. And then today we were tackling this. We pretty much told them we don't even want you guys to do the electrical because we're going all out on this. So this will be a Victron system, a couple lithium 12-volt batteries. We'll have a panel up here for controlling everything, seeing what's going on, what's coming in, what's going out. What do you think about the trailer so far, Chris, other than the things I just mentioned?
I mean, build quality is top notch. QC quality is lacking, but yeah. We did rush them we didn't rush them, they rushed them.
Well, they were late. Yeah, I mean, they were late. They told us 4 to 6 weeks and we were at 8 weeks and we finally said, like, we're done waiting. I already paid for the trailer in full. Probably a mistake there, but that was in order to get it rushed. So anyway, I think it's fantastic overall. It's just a matter of, I mean, this is pretty much off the lot is about 50,000, 42,000. Plus taxes, tag title, and then we've got another, gosh, I don't even know how much we're putting in it. Just an inverter setup and batteries is what, almost another 8 to 10. We got tire racks going up, we got fuel racks, fuel cans, all that kind of stuff. So we'll probably, in this trailer alone, what do you think? 65? Yeah, 65,000 probably. So yeah, the fun thing's gonna be pulling this big bitch behind the bus. 45-foot motor coach. So anyway, so what are we doing, Chris?
We're allowing some airflow. That's what we're doing
for the inverter. That was professional.
100%. Measure 3 times. Woo!
That carpet's smoking.
I should probably just turn down the drill RPM. 1.
How many are you doing? 20?
Yeah. Flat blade.
Okay.